Today, we're going to talk about a budget-friendly phone from Samsung that offers decent specifications, but also has some strange shortcomings that are hard to understand. Let's find out if this phone is worth buying or not. Today, we'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy F05, discussing its specifications, features, flaws, and price. But before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the design. The phone's design is actually quite good. It's a budget phone with a simple yet elegant look. Naturally, the phone is made of plastic materials, but as I always say, design is a matter of personal taste. Moving on to the display, it features a 6.7-inch HD Plus screen with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels, offering a pixel density of 262 pixels per inch. The screen is a BLS LCD with a 60Hz refresh rate. While the display quality is fine for its price range, it would have been better if it offered a 90% Hz refresh rate like some competitors in the same price category. In short, the screen isn't bad, but it would have been more impressive at 90 Hz for the same price. Now, let's talk about performance and the processor. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85, built on a 12nm process. It's a well-known chipset that's been used in many previous phones. The performance is excellent for this price range, providing smooth daily usage whether you're browsing, gaming, or running apps moderately. The processor is a solid choice for the price. The phone comes with a single variant, offering 64GB of internal storage and 4GB of RAM. And it supports expandable storage of up to 1TB via a dedicated memory card slot. On the back, you'll find two cameras, a 50MP main camera and a 2MP depth sensor for portrait shots. You can shoot videos in 1080p at 30 frames per second with the rear camera. The front camera has an 8MP resolution. The battery is a 5000 mAh unit, which provides excellent endurance, and it supports 25W fast charging, a great feature for this price range. The phone runs on Android 14, but it doesn't support NFC, which isn't a major drawback at this price. The phone retains a traditional headphone jack and uses a USB Type-C charging port. However, the speakers do not support stereo sound, which is expected for this category. The device comes in a single color, blue. Unfortunately, it lacks a fingerprint sensor, but it does offer face unlock and pattern unlock, which can be considered the downside at this price point. Pros: elegant and eco-friendly design with a silicone polymer back that mimics leather framed in plastic. 4th generation network support. Large battery with excellent performance for long-lasting use. Supports FHD video recording, and the rear camera delivers good photo and video quality. Supports accelerometer and proximity sensors. As a 3.5mm headphone jack, the processor offers good performance for an entry-level phone. Cons: the display could have been better with a 90% Hz refresh rate, like other phones in the same price range. Although the screen is decent, 90 Hz would have made it more competitive. The phone should have had a fingerprint sensor, especially at this price. The phone was officially launched at $95. In closing, if there's any specific phone you'd like us to review, leave its name in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy F05. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. There are more tutorials waiting for you on the Top Mac 4 channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe and become part of the family.